Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create your article backlink in this website. Okay, so the website name is subscribe.ru. So this is a website URL and the interface, and I previously just created one profile and the article in this website to verify what is the process and what is the best method to you can create your backlink here. Okay, so before we started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 79, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 65. And if we can track this website traffic, so you can see this website having around 338.9k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from Russia, Belarus, USA, Kazakhstan, and Ukraine. So you can see this website having traffic from that kind of countries. So definitely you can create your backlink here. So you can get the chances to drive traffic from the different countries and the crawlability. Okay, and also awareness, your brand awareness on these countries. So now we can start. First thing what you can do, you can click on the top of the right corner. There is a profile icon. You can click on this. Then you can first you can convert this website language into English. Then after you can see, then you can click on the registration. Here you can put your email address. After you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Click on the done button, and after this site will send you the activation code so you can check your Gmail. So this might take a couple of minutes or the second, because previously when I creating, I received the activation code after a minute. So you can check your spam folder, either your main folder. You can receive your activation code here, might be in the spam folder. So I received my activation code in the spam folder. So you can click on this, you can copy this code. Then after you can paste your code here, click on the done button. And after a few seconds, it will be automatically redirect you on the editor page. Either you can click on this link. So here you can put your business name. Then after you can select the gender. You can select your birth of year. Then you can search the place of residence. So I'm in India. Then after you can select, yeah, no one, two, do you have children under 18? Is your income level okay? After you can select the some kind of interest. So we are in marketing. Then after you can click on the finish and start. So you can select any of the from these options. So you can see, thank you for you having registered successfully, all the possibilities to subscribe. Okay, then after you can click on this logo to redirect on this website home page. So you can see this is our profile icon. You can click on this drop down, click on the my profile. This is your profile edit a dashboard. So first we can go to update, either upload a profile picture, click on this upload photo. Okay, so it will be redirect on the same page. So select the profile photo from there. After here you can add your nickname. So you can add your main targeted keyword like the digital marketing training, digital marketing. Okay, then after you can also have options. You can add your signature. So best digital marketing training platform. After here you can add your public address like the your email address. So contact at dmailtraining.com. It is not the mandatory, so you can put the same register email here. So you can try to add there your professional email or the Gmail, so that can could be the, if anybody can see your profile, so they can directly reach out, either send the email on your professional are the main email. Okay, so from there you can select your date of birth, so like 2000 July and the 5th. After place of work, so might you can put your office address here. So I live in India, so you can select the your living country. I guess they have India listed here, either USA, other countries. I didn't see the India here. Might they not listed? So you can select the other countries. After here, you can put your website URL. So this is my website, DML training. And I can also ask you guys one help from your side. So I just started my YouTube vlog channel. So if you guys will subscribe this channel, so might help me too much. So Soul Prav, this is my channel name. And if I can click here, so you can see this is my channel. So you can, if you can search this name Soul Prav, so you can easily find my channel. So there I'm uploading my moto blog and the travel blog here. So you can see, and if you're comfortable, so you can also share your love for this channel. Okay, so now let's back to the main things. So here you can put your website URL. Then after you can remove this. If you have these channels, so you can put your channels links here. And after there is about me section, so there you can upload either add your profile description. So let me add from there. So I already generated my profile description, so you can put your descriptions here. After you can click on the save button. Once you guys will optimize your all the things, either you updated your all information. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So now you can click on the back to profile, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you on incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can convert the language, okay, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So now let's show you how you can create your article backlink in this website. So click on the drop down. Let's first change the language. So you can see there is my subscription. You can click on this. Okay, so let's navigate to the another things like the my collection. Click on this. Then after first we need to create the collection, so you can click on the create a collection. So here you can put the collection name, so like the digital marketing training and the services. Here you can add your description. So I'm just for the example, you can put this that kind of a descriptions. After you can here you can add your category, choose your category if you want. So you can also have options, so you can add your tags, and you can also attach the logo something. After you can click on the save button. So our collection is successfully created. So now you can click on the add news. So you can see create a new collection. So here you can put your article title. So let's me create the article for my recent blog. So suppose like I publish this blog. Let me create the article for this. So let me back to the chat GPT, create short article for this. So you can put copy your title and you can put your title here in the headline section. Then after you can copy your content. Okay, so it's still generating. So you can put your content here. Then after you can optimize your all the content that would be look a professional for the user, and you can copy your article title and you can hyperlink in anywhere if you found your targeted keywords. So simply you can select your keyword, and here you can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this. Here you can put your article, your URL. Then after you can click on the OK button. So you can see we successfully hyperlinked this keyword. After you can scroll, then you can see there is an option, so you can attach the article image. So let me download this image, and you have options. So add your keyword and the tag here, and you can put some a short description for this article for your articles. So let me copy this. Once you guys will complete all the things, then after you can click on the publish button. The news has been successfully added and the saved. So you can see this is our article. If I can click on this, so you can see this is our article. So it's not look the genuine, user friendly. So you can optimize your content once you guys will publish, and you can review if everything is look good. Then after you can proceed with the another one. Okay, so overall, these are the process and options. This website are having that kind of options, so you can use and utilize for the creating the backlink for your brand and your website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something for this. Okay. So okay, bye bye and take care.